how to set up vacation responder in Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So you are going on a vacation and won't be available to reply to your emails. Then vacation responder is something that you can toggle on that will send automatic replies if you get your email. So, what you need to do is head over to your browser and then go to Gmail. Now, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and then tap on See All Settings. Now, under the General tab, you will need to scroll down to the very bottom and you can see Vacation Responder. So, toggle this on. So this sends an automated reply to incoming messages. So you can choose the first day and then you can choose the last day. So when your vacation ends, choose the subject. You can say something like on leave and then write a message like, hello, thank you for a message, but I'm unavailable due to these reasons and we'll get back to you. So this is something you can do. You can choose only to send a response to people in your contacts or to everyone. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.